What's going on, guys? Today we're continuing the maintenance and servicing theme. Just an easy one today, just changing the spark plugs. You'll need 6 new spark plugs and a 21mm long spark plug removal socket. Spark plugs I'm using today, that number, they're only about $6 each, so it's pretty easy, cheap thing to do, and especially if your car's starting to misfire, it's a great thing to do. So obviously the first thing you have to do is remove these spark plug leads. They can be pretty difficult to remove, so I'll probably do it off camera with 2 hands, but just wiggle them around, twist them a little bit and pop them all off. Now maybe I'm weak, but I found it really hard to get a few of those spark plug leads off, so I just gently sort of while I was wiggling them and pulling them, just pry them off with the screwdriver, just to help. Now you're going to have trouble just with the normal socket wrench, so you'll need an extension like this, and it makes it a lot easier. And it shouldn't be too hard to undo, just like that. Hopefully the last person put it in, if it was you or someone else, haven't put it in too tight, and they'll literally just should just come right out, unless you've got a problem with your engine that's they're rusted in or something. If they're done every few years, they should just come straight out pretty easily. And when you put them back in, don't do them up too tight. And the last one, and what I should have mentioned before, just in case, all my spark plug leads are numbered, but if yours aren't, if they're really old or they're worn out or something, well, they probably need to be replaced. But all new spark plug leads, I'm pretty sure are numbered, but just make sure they are before you pop them off, because you want to put them back in the right order, obviously. So there they all are. I'm not sure that they look okay. Obviously they need to be changed, but you know, could be worse. Obviously the new ones will be a little bit better. Compare the old ones to a brand spanking new one. Yeah, it looks a little bit better. I think the car might run a little bit better with a set of new spark plugs. Now remember, not too tight, just nice like that, and that's it. Now they're all in. Simply just got to plug the right number back into the right number spark plug. So 1 to 1, starting from the front going to the back, 2, 2. They're all, these ones are different lengths anyway, so you can't get it too wrong, but 3, 3, and so on. Just checking they're all in properly. And that's done. Pretty easy little job, but can make a big difference if you got one bad spark plug and your car's misfiring, and it's gonna just run so much smoother now, and feel like it's got a lot more power. Alright, thanks for watching another one, guys. I'll see you in the next one.